Hello, this is Decimal, and today I want to talk about the new update for the K.O.II, the Champions update. And objectively, this update is massive, but there are features here that we wanted on day one, not over a year post-release. So let's get into it. For a basic overview, we have resampling, we have song mode, we have sidechain, we have more polyphony and more MIDI, but I'll break down each individual item in detail right now. They're calling this the new OS update 2.0, and it is the biggest update yet, I believe. And one of the things that people have been asking for, what I've been asking for actually since day one, was MIDI parameters being exposed and interconnectivity. Apparently we finally got this. So with the MIDI, you can use up to 16 devices and use MIDI sync. We also have system settings for MIDI in and out channels for sending and receiving programmed and changed messages. We have a MIDI note map, so you can play any sound on the pad with an external controller. Oh my gosh, I'm pulling my hair right now. It's like these are day one features, man. You can also do pitch bend and mod wheel messages, which is super cool. Pads now by default send MIDI notes to the system MIDI channel, and sound edit MIDI channels now change the MIDI in channel for that pad as well. We also have increased polyphony, so it went from 12 mono, 6 stereo sounds to up to 16 mono and 12 stereo sounds. This is something that is very welcome. People are going to enjoy, and I think the polyphony before wasn't an issue. It had a decent amount of polyphony, but now it has a lot more, and they probably did this by editing memory management or something to do with the hardware, because it was a pretty powerful unit to begin with. So this is very welcomed, and people are going to love this. We have true sidechain. There was a way to sort of hacky make a sidechain happen before, but now we have real sidechain that will duck the volume of the bass, for example, when the kick comes in, and compress it as well. So this is very awesome. Again, I think this also could be a day one feature. Sidechaining is something that a lot of people love and would like to use, but now we have true sidechain, which is really great. We also have resampling. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is probably the #1 most requested feature, and this is something that people have been absolutely dying for. So by resampling, you can resample within the device and externally as well, and this includes samples that have been affected with the built-in effects, which is something that is very welcomed, and it helps, you know, to make this device a little bit more usable, especially for people who love to resample. We have a more robust song mode that allows you to chain scenes together. This allows you to edit and be able to change the current song position as well. You can have 99 different song positions to combine a maximum pattern length of 99 bars, which means you can create a maximum song of 9,801 bars. This allows the device to become more usable when composing longer tracks. We have hands-free sampling, which is going to help you sample, record while your hands are occupied playing an instrument or doing something else. We also have larger note intervals. So the K.O.II now supports different timing intervals. So this also includes the latching and note repeaters. So if you want to have like a drum roll or a hi-hat hit multiple times, you can now be able to divide it by more intervals, which is great. We also have some smaller updates as well. Here's a list of them for watch time retention's sake. You can just pause and read it yourself and check it out. What are your thoughts on the new update, the Champions update? Is it too little too late? Should we have these features on day one? Was the K.O.II half-baked on release? Or are these updates that were developed with feedback after the device was launched? And let me know in the comments down below. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.